Many content creators struggle in maintaining consistent characters, especially for their comic books, online businesses, or even bringing AI influencers to life. But fear not, because Leonardo AI has just unleashed a new update, making it a breeze for us all. And if you're wondering if you've got to pay for Leonardo, it's entirely up to you. You can do everything we'll discuss today on the free plan, but if you're planning to use it frequently, it might be worth it to cough up the $12-ish per month. So, how do you get consistent characters in Leonardo AI? Now, we've talked about training fine-tuned models to get consistent characters, but mastering that process takes a lot of time and patience. So I'm here to show you a quicker, simpler way to get the same results without all that hassle. I'm going to create characters for my storybook, including the protagonist, antagonist, and one side character. Then, later in the video, I'll show you how to use the advanced features should you decide to fork out that premium fee. Now, if you're like me and running low on ideas, don't sweat it. Let's head over to the homepage and snag some existing prompts to tweak. This image seems perfect for a protagonist. Let's grab it, paste it into the image generator, and see what we come up with. Now, when you're generating your character, feel free to delete any words you don't want your character to have and replace them with the ones you do. Also, if you're not a fan of dislocated body parts, throw in some negative prompts to avoid those. And remember to utilize the Albedo Base XL feature along with the kids illustration for elements. Once you've got your chosen snap, toss it into the image-to-image generator to nail those precise vibes. I experimented with various settings for my character, and lo and behold, it consistently hits the mark every darn time. And guess what? The same flawless process applies to crafting the antagonist and sidekick characters. What's even more incredible is that you can use the universal Upscaler for free. It essentially enhances your photos by increasing their resolution and adding finer details, giving them a high-end look and feel. You can even merge the two characters seamlessly using Canva by removing the background and placing one character on top of the other. This way, you can craft your very own storybook without falling into the trap of awkward AI-generated characters, unlike some other existing AI storybooks out there, where characters vary from page to page. Now, besides generating cartoon characters, you can also create influencer-like characters or incredibly realistic photos. The first step is to design your own character that you'll use across various scenarios. This young man you see here is generated from a prompt that says, create a handsome young man from the Victorian era with bright blue eyes that shone like jewels. His face was like a sculpture, strong yet gentle, framed by golden hair. I used the photo real feature here, so, as you can tell, it's very realistic. But if you're using the free version, simply choose the Leonardo Diffusion XL on the fine-tuned model, and you should be able to get photos similar to this one or this one. We're using the Leonardo AI image-to-image feature, and the beauty of it is you get to choose whatever style you want. Thanks to my Leonardo subscription, I've got access to the pose image-to-image feature, which basically mirrors the pose of your character, giving you a pretty close match. All you have to do is input the generated photo there, and remember not to erase the prompts you used earlier, because the more you alter the prompt, the more different your character is going to look. In my case, I only alter the setting and what I want my character to be doing, and it instantly gets my idea. For example, I added this part of the prompt, and here is our character in a garden full of flowers. And here he is again in a castle while smiling. Notice how similar the faces and features are. I even tried putting him in a forest, and it did not disappoint because there he is again with the same face in a forest. So all you need to do is tweak the last part, and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, if you're in it for the long haul, consider investing those $12 because it may pay off big time. Many content creators and online sellers are making money online with faceless AI influencer accounts, creating animated channels, or even producing children's storybooks, all using Leonardo AI consistent character features. So if you're keen to learn how you can pocket thousands of dollars from this, make sure to check out our other videos, like our tutorial on creating a storybook. And if you're new to Leonardo, be sure to watch our Leonardo AI tutorial. See you there.